Now in coronavirus news, Israel continues to be a world leader in vaccinations against the coronavirus, launching a new campaign to administer a third dose booster to people aged 60 and over. This as the number of new cases from the Delta variant continues to rise. Let's take a look at the report. Thousands of Israelis are set to get the third dose booster of the coronavirus vaccine on Sunday, with Prime Minister Naftali Bennett saying the goal is to see 1.5 million people over the age of 60 vaccinated within 8 days. Bennett and President Yitzhak Herzog officially kicked off the campaign to receive a third dose on Friday. President Herzog and his wife Michal received the shot together at the Sheba Medical Center at Tel Aviv.
We are beginning the booster vaccination, which is so vital to enable normal circumstances of life as much as possible in this very challenging pandemic which society and humanity is faced with. With this new step of the Israeli government, which I'm proud as the President of the State of Israel to launch, I believe that it's also a lesson to the entire humankind that we have to protect each other and take the necessary steps to make sure that we can all function as normal and ordinary states and societies.
The campaign, a bid to fend off the coronavirus Delta variant, will effectively turn Israel into a testing ground for the booster before approval by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration.
My friends, Israel is a pioneer in going ahead with the third dose for older people of the age of 60 and above. The fight against the COVID pandemic is a global fight. The only way we can defeat COVID is together. Together means sharing information. Together means sharing methods, technologies, insights, and actionable steps. Israel is open to share all the information that we can gain from this bold move, and we're gonna win, but together. Thank you.
Meanwhile, senior Israeli figures are joining in the effort. On Friday, Bennett also spoke with Knesset Speaker Miki Levy and Supreme Court President Justice Esther Chayut, asking them to receive the third dose since they both meet the required criteria. The two accepted his request and will receive the inoculation soon. Also joining the effort was former Prime Minister and leader of the opposition Benjamin Netanyahu, who also received the third dose along with his wife Sarah at Tel Aviv on Friday. After which he called on the public to go and get vaccinated.
לחבר'ה צעירים, לכו להתחסן. אם התחסנתם כבר, קחו את אבא ואמא, את סבא וסבתא, ושילכו לקבל את החיסון השלישי. אתם זוכרים מה אומרים? פעם שלישית, לידה. אתם נקלם.
The campaign was launched as Israel struggles to contain the Delta variant. On Sunday morning, the health ministry released figures saying that the number of severely ill patients jumped to over 200 people, standing at 212 with 42 in critical condition. In the last day, 2,080 cases were diagnosed, bringing the total number of active cases in the country to nearly 19,000. And these worrisome statistics leading many senior Israelis to be the first to go out and get the booster.
I think it's the best thing to do after you do your risk management. If you were twice, why not to be the third time? And we are in good health, so why not to keep being healthy?